pleasant afternoon to you, ma'am. I'm Naritisha Bailon.
I'm Aidilin Bakar Kamsa.
I'm Yuban Laides ng Tao.
I'm Dimple A. Ramos. I am Mary Ann Santiago.
And I am Magsalin Magdistoyan.
And we are the Group 5. Today, we will represent to you our investigatory research entitled Eggshell and Rosacea Natural Facial Powder. Chapter 1, Background of the Study. Face powder originating from Egypt is a cosmetic product used to beautify the face, set makeup, brighten skin, and contour. It comes in two types: loose powder for oily skin and pressed powder for blemishes. Face powder has contributed to beauty standards throughout history, with whitened faces signaling high status. In this study, the researcher decided to use eggshell, rosacea, and cornstarch as the primary substance for facial powder, considering the competence of teenage girls, most particularly having blooming face. Statement of the problem. This investigatory research aims to find out the effect of eggshell and rosacea petal on skin as facial powder and its benefits. Especially, it seeks to answer the following question. First, what would be the result of the combination of eggshell and rosacea petal as facial powder in terms of color, smell, and texture? How effective is eggshell and rosacea natural facial powder in terms of skin softness, skin aging, and oil reducer? Number 3, what are the benefits of eggshell and the rosacea natural facial powder on the skin? Significance of the study. This study will be benefit by the following. To the teenage girls who are suffering from having an oily face, to the community, this study can give information to the community that eggshell and dry rose petal is very useful and enable them to have alternative facial powder, easy to prepare, and lessen their financial expenses. To the business owner who wants to sell this product by offering alternative facial powder, they can cater to the growing demand for natural and organic facial powder. Scope and the limitation of the study. This study aims to produce an alternative facial powder from eggshell, rosacea, and cornstarch. It also included the analysis of effectiveness based on the experiment made. It is expected to finish at the end of second semester within the academic school year 2023-2024. Definition of terms. Terms that are needed to be defined according to its use and meaning in the study. Eggshell. It can function to moisturize and nourish the skin, soothe facial skin, anti-aging, relieves redness on sensitive skin, and can give a smooth impression on makeup. Dry rose petal. Dried roses are said to contain healing properties which make them useful in getting rid of damaged skin. Cornstarch. Starch obtained from corn and sometimes used as an absorbent in cosmetic instead of or alongside tar. Oily face. Oily skin. It is a common cosmetic problem that occurs when oversized glands produce excessive amounts of sebum, giving the appearance of shiny and greasy skin. Blooming face. If something such as someone's skin has a bloom, it has a fresh and healthy appearance. Face powder. It is a very fine soap powder which you put on your face in order to make it look smoother.
Chapter 2, Review of Related Literature. The following related literature and studies are provided to have a better understanding of the study. What is eggshell? Eggshell is made almost entirely of calcium carbonate crystals. The shell also has a thin outermost coating called the bloom or cuticle that helps keep out bacteria and dust. Benefits to be gained from eggshells. Natural egg membrane concentrate powder is deemed to be one of the most effective anti-aging products in cosmetic sector. Furthermore, it has been shown to increase cellular activity and collagen production, as well as prevents skin aging. What is rose? A rose is a woody perennial flowering plant in the Rosaceae family. With over 300 species and tens of thousands of cultivars, they are native to Asia, Europe, North America, and northwestern Africa. Roses are widely grown for their beauty and fragrant scents and have cultural significance in many societies. They can range in size from miniature to climbers. What is cornstarch? Cornstarch derived from corn grain is a versatile food ingredient used in thickening sauces, making corn syrup, and in industry like adhesives, paper products, and textile manufacturing. It also has medical applications such as providing glucose and glycogen storage diseases. Benefits of rose petal to skin. Premature aging prevention. Roses are abundant in antioxidants such as vitamin C, which combat free radicals and oxidative stress, thus neutralizing factors that accelerate skin aging. Collagen production boost. Essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Collagen production is enhanced by the vitamin A and C found in roses. Sebum production regulation. For those battling oily skin, rose offers a natural solution. Starch as facial powder. Among all natural available biopolymers, starch is most commonly applied in the biomaterial fields due to its beneficial advantage such as low cost, low toxicity, biodegradability, and renewability. Cornmeal or corn flour is cheap facial exfoliator that can be safely used in homemade cosmetic preparations. These are often used in face powders. It was considered to give a peach-like bloom to the face because the particles are spherical. It gives a very smooth feel when applied to the skin. It has excellent absorptive properties and in addition has good covering power. Cornstarch can be used as talc replacement in some products, especially to the in facial powder.
Methodology. This chapter provides more intricate and important details about the experiment. This also includes the materials needed and procedure on the experiment, as well as the comfortability of the place and the freedom to perform the said experiment fairly. Local of the study. The researcher conducted the entire experiment in Kamchongko National High School in Awang Datudin, Sinswat, Maguindanao. Research design. This study used an experimental research method to determine the effect and benefits of eggshell and rosacea natural facial powder. Experimental research design is a framework of protocols and procedure created to conduct experimental research with a scientific approach using the set of variables. In this case, the experimental study seeks how effective eggshell and rosacea natural facial powder is. Research instrument. This research used the following materials: cooking pot, towel, water, grinder, teaspoon, strainer, bulb. Experiment sample. Eggshell, dry rose petal, cornstarch. Procedure. Prepare all materials needed. Step 1. Wash the eggshell and rose petal. Step 2. Boil the eggshell for 15 minutes. Step 3. Dry the eggshell and rose petal. Step 4. Put the rose petal on the towel and spread it out for a few days. Step 5. If the eggshell is no longer wet, remove the inner membrane of the eggshell. Step 6. Put the eggshell and the dry rose petal in the grinder. Step 7. Grind the eggshell and dry rose petal well until it becomes fine. Step 8. After grinding, put a 2 teaspoons of cornstarch in grind again. Step 9. After doing everything you are done, you can use the alternative facial powder.
Chapter 4. This chapter presents the discussion of experimentation on eggshell and rosacea natural facial powder. The researcher used the eggshell dry rose petals and cornstarch. In making the eggshell and rosacea natural facial powder, the experiment samples were carefully ground and mixed according to the procedures. After conducting the experimentation, the researcher find out at the combination of eggshell, dry rose petals, and cornstarch resulted in the light purple, a sweet scent, and a fine powder texture. The color and texture of the alternative facial powder may vary depending on the amount and how they grind each material used. The researchers also studied the effect of eggshell and rosacea natural facial powder on skin. Eggshell has increases circular activity and collagen production as well as prevents skin aging. Dry rose petals offer a natural solution of oily skin. Its slime properties help to lightening. The researcher concluded that the eggshell and rosacea natural facial powder can be a beneficial product due to its combination of natural ingredients that have various skin nourishment, making the skin soft and blemish-free. Naturally, it's known to provide skin absorption abilities and often used to dry out breakouts without causing dryness and irritation on the skin. Based on the result of the experimentation, Chapter 5. This chapter presents the restatement of the problem, summary of finding, conclusion, and recommendation.
The statement of the problem. This investigatory research aims to find out the effects of eggshell and rosacea petal on skin as facial powder and its benefits. Especially, it seeks to answer the following questions. 1. What will be the result of combination eggshell rosacea petal as facial powder in terms of color, smell, and texture? How effective is eggshell and rosacea natural facial powder in terms of skin softness, skin aging, and oil reducer?
Summary of findings. The most important findings of the study are the following. Number 1. After combining the experiment samples, the mixture produced light purple, a sweet scent, and fine powder texture. Number 2. Eggshell, rose petal, and cornstarch, which is present in alternative facial powder, have a lot of benefits to the skin. That this product is proven effective the moment that it used. Number 3. Eggshell and rosacea natural facial powder contains experiment samples that contribute positive effects in making the skin look glow and healthy, such as eggshell to prevent skin aging, dry rose petal to to reduce oily skin. Recommendations. This investigatory research recommends the following. Number 1. To the future researchers and students who want to undergo this kind of study to execute trials to improve the effectiveness and safety of this product. Number 2. This also recommended to teenage girls. They can easily make this because these experiment samples are available at home or in community. They may also spend less amount of money than buying commercial facial powder. Number 3. It also recommends to the business owners because of its effective results that only comes from a natural component and may enhance the customer's engagement as well as induce a higher average order value.